Open house Sundays September 2nd 1 p.m. 3 p.m. Enjoy this one-story tree-lined home sitting on over 1 acre in Hilliard schools. You will feel like you're in the country with all the conveniences of the city close by. The home features 3 bedrooms, possibly a 4th bedroom or den, and 2 updated full bathrooms. Great room with stone fireplace and lots of natural light. The large dining room has built shelves which is adjacent to the large kitchen with breakfast bar. In the kitchen you will find lots of cabinet space and a pantry with pull-out shelves. The owner suite has its own private entrance to the rear deck which faces a tree-lined stream. The 4th bedroom or den has its own private entrance with deck. The extra large driveway also has a circular turnaround, so need to back out.